All right, off we go on Lynet, the Gerstlauer Eurofighter, right into the launch. Oh boy. Here we go.
Whoa! Whoa! Wow! Woo! Whoa! Oh! Wow, nice hit time. Woo! Oh! Whoa! Oh, that's so fun. Whoa! Oh my god, the aerostat was awesome. Woo! Oh, it's this head swell. Oh, that's a lot of fun. Yeah. Awesome Eurofighter, wow.